In today's video, we are going to show you how to start investing on XTB. Let's begin. Now, if you want to start saving and building your wealth but not sure where to begin, one of the smartest ways to get started is by investing in ETFs. So basically, ETF or exchange traded fund is a type of investment fund that tracks a specific market or asset, like a stock index or even commodities. The best part, you can buy and sell ETFs on the stock market just like regular stocks. Now, before you can buy and invest for the future, you want to make sure that your account is fully verified because XTB requires identity verification. Upload all the documents when needed. You will be forwarded with a new page wherein you just have to provide all of these documents, and XTB usually verifies them within a few hours, which is a standard step to comply with the regulations and protect your account. Once your account is fully verified, it's time to fund it, okay? So just click the deposit and choose your preferred payment method. You want to make sure that you have any balance before you can invest. And then what we highly suggest is to make sure that you start with an amount you're comfortable with, especially if you are new here at XTB. And then go to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the My Trades. Now explore the platform because XTB offers so much options here. For example, if you want a stock, commodities, forex, market sentiment, and a lot more. If you want to create a new watch list, you can do so. But if you want to search for maybe, let's say, Bitcoin, you can do that as well. In our previous video here in our channel, we discussed how to buy and sell the S&P 500 that you might want to check in our channel, please. But basically, since we have already previously covered that, I'm gonna show you how it works by double-clicking on it. It will open a new window. Here on the market order, you can put a stop loss or take profit by providing a specific amount here, okay? And then for the volume, you can put in as many as you want. For example, 69. You may notice that the contract value as well as the margin value also changes. On the stop limit order, you can do that as well. Remember to take note of the pricing trends because that could affect your decision. And to invest, select the asset right here and click the buy. Since we have already provided the amount, click the confirm button. And congratulations, you just made your first investment on XTB. Remember, after investing, monitor your portfolio regularly, check performance, and if you want to make adjustments, you can do so. And use the XTB's tools like the chart panel here, the analytics, to make any informed decisions. Remember, investing is about patience and learning over time. But basically, that's it for today's video on how you can start investing on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.